video, we're going to have the Gopro Hero 8 and the Segway G30LP with us. So we are going to review and unbox the Gopro, but mainly we're going to see the experience of filming with one. On the back, it shows you some of the specs. I'll just name a few here. So it says that the lens have a 12 megapixel. It can record a 4K 60 film, and it has a 8 times slow motion. So off the bat, we can realize how tiny this is to hold in your hands and film. And this is the bundle pack, so it comes with a charging cable, a micro SD card, 2 batteries, a gimbal stick, and the case. So when you look inside the GoPro, this is where the SD card goes, and then that's the battery slot. There's also the charging port right there. And I don't like how it's all congested in that small space because the SD card's right there. It's kind of hard to put it when you already have the battery in. So you're gonna have to put it when the battery's not in. But it's a small space, so you're gonna have to cope with it. So I've installed the battery and set up this with the app in the phone. And now we're gonna take off the sticker and attach it to the helmet, and we'll go for a spin on the scooter that we have right here. So I've put the GoPro on with the sticky pad, and it's actually really cool. Let's put on the helmet with the GoPro on us, and let's go on a ride. So this is my neighborhood, and we have the GoPro attached to my helmet. We have my Segway G30LP. And we're going to take the GoPro and the scooter for a spin. So let's turn this on, change it to drive mode, and let's start it. So the ride's pretty bumpy, especially on the sidewalk. I don't know if the GoPro can handle that, but we can see. Have a good stabilization system, so we can check that out. That was a big bump. I really like the Segway G30LP scooter. It's a really nice scooter. So this is my friend's house. Scooter is really nice. It's the newer model. It's called the G30LP from Segway. And it's a smaller version of the Segway Max, and it's $6.99, and it's a pretty good deal for what you get. The weather is really nice today. It's nice, not too hot. We're at the post box, and we'll turn left here, and we'll go all the way to the creek, and we'll also go to the park near us. The scooter is so nice, going really fast on this clear path. It's really smooth and fun to ride around. And I'm going to change it to sport mode. here we are. This is the creek near my house. It's pretty calming to listen to the water noise. There's rocks, trees, water, everything. It's pretty calm here. Nice. The GoPro records at 4K 60. You can see how scenic the GoPro films this and clarity it is. And let's head back. That's the main road over there if you turn left. And if you turn right, this is the community. It's a big community with lots of houses.